Alright, so today we have the Bosch Aero Twin A638S as in Sally. It is a set of wiper blades, and as you've seen, we now have the wipers in service position. And no bugs! Anyway, so we're going to unbox these and show you what's next. I'm keeping my packaging intact because I want to send these back to FCP Euro to get my lifetime replacement warranty. So this, side. I do need that. So as you can tell, these come with the brackets already on there. No need to buy something else because you already have the set. So if you were to go into the auto store and try to get these links from the auto store, you would have to end up putting these adapters on. And I was wrong. It is not the same size. There's 26 inch and a 21 inch. So as you can tell, this is the 21 inch, this is a 26 inch. Alright, so now that we have it in service mode, you can tell the wipers are up. So we're going to go ahead and put our wiper blades up, like so. So the next step is optional, but for me, I do this because I do not want wiper blades to come down on my windshield, or I guess the wiper blade arm. I guess this is upside down. Wiper blade arm to come down on my windshield bare without a wiper blade on it. You know what happens when a wiper blade arm comes down on glass when there's no wiper blade on it? You're right. It hits the glass and cracks it or leaves a huge pit in it. Bad idea. Okay, so the way that we're going to do this is we're going to lower this now. We're going to push that button in. I'm going to lift straight up. If it didn't cut your gloves there. Pops off. So now we go get the new one, which should be that one, like so. Go back and simply put the same thing back in there. Make sure it's in the rails and not getting your glove like it just tried to get me. Slide it down and click. Okay. So put it back down. Same thing for this one. Take, lift up. This is when we're with gloves. Wiggle it out of there at the last second. It takes a little wiggles. Come back. Good. Good. Same size. Make sure everything's good. Good dive bomb by bugs that are in force for some reason today. Push that back down. Ta-da! Pull this back up. Take your nice Saudi flag. Hold it up for a second. Get done. And set them back down. Of course, why wouldn't a train come right now? That's it. Go back in. Wiper service position off. And you're done.